Hello everyone, this is the demonstration phase of the example code, conditional loop controls for Servo 6. The goal was to show you the structure of while loop and also show you some preliminary use of the remote control data input / capture. So you remember the good old sensing act paradigm. So we have a loop going from the world to the sensor to the robot to the actuator and come back. And as a computer program is really just a model of these interactions in the real world, we expect to see some kind of looping inside all our example code for robot really. In this example here, we show how to use a loop while. And the while loop has three components. Step one, you need to initialize the loop control variable. It happened to be data in this particular case. Okay, and then the loop condition itself, which is right here, loop while data is nothing. That means basically in English is nothing coming in from the remote controller. That's a loop condition now. And then third one is the update, which is statement 27 here. So let's repeat. So statement 15 represents the initialization of loop control variable. Statement 16 essentially set up the loop condition and the start of the loop while also. And then between the curly bracket, that's the body of the loop while. In the body of the loop while, we always need to make sure you remember to update the loop control variable, which happened to be statement 27 here. So what does this code do? Body of the code is just go to 512, 204, go to position 512 and go to position 205, 319. So then the good old switching between three positions at certain speed. And they keep on doing that, okay? And in this example here, it pick up the data from the remote controller. And if the data is nothing, that means if I didn't touch the remote controller at all, it keep on looping. Because if I didn't touch it, the data in will be 0, nothing again, so it keep on looping. So this code, when you first run it, it acts like an endless loop. Except if you touch anything, the data become non-null now, I guess non-zero now, and then it makes the loop while condition become false, and it will quit. So, but if somebody give you an example code, do not figure how their while loop works. The easiest to do is to concentrate on the loop while and on the condition itself. Look at it, figure out what is the control variable that it is. It happen to be data in here, and then you go backward. You go up on the code to find out where is the statement that update that one. That's your initialization step. And then go down to the body of the loop and find out which statement updating that loop control variable. Okay. Okay, let's see now how the code works. So this is the example code, and this is a live image of a robot. Servo number 6 is here. Let me get back here. I already downloaded the code into the robot, so you see it's working now. So let me go to the debugging screen, and then we see if I can connect to it. It was connected, so I disconnect it now. Make sure I connect it again. Okay, it's connecting to it. Okay. Okay. I finally be able to connect it through the debugging screen, and right now it's printing 0 because it's printing out nothing. I didn't touch the remote controller yet, and you can see that the robot pretty much doing an endless loop. So like for example, let me see. Okay, probably can still hear. I'm gonna push on up arrow. It pick it up. It finally turn off the robot.